Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 47 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a key, and I've got this key dangle. Your handwriting. This is an old recipe I wrote when I was a teenager, and I just made a copy of it. Something that represents an event. I've got this couple having dinner. I'm thinking it could be a date or a celebration of an anniversary or something like that. Winter, I've got this, and these two are from Mrs. Cogg's Crafts, and I've got all these people ice skating. Origami or anything folded. I've got this dress. I learned to do this from G. Kerr. And the bonus is something painted, and I've got these leaves from a jelly print, and it was paint. So I hope everybody's doing great. So let's get started. Alrighty then. I'm just gonna play around with this. I really don't have too much of an idea of what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna see what we come up with. I said these are prints of the recipe. This isn't the original. When I was in high school, I got some of my favorite recipes, and I started putting them in a notebook for when I got married. So I had a lot of recipes, and I found them stuck in an old folder because I gave up on the book. But I have a lot of my mom's. I don't have all of them. I wish I had more of the recipes that my mom used to do. But I don't. So I'm just going to put these down. Give them a good ink. I already inked around my page. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP 47 for this week's. There's not many more at all. Alright. Well, my husband and I finally found a show that we've gotten hooked on, and that is House. We missed it when it came out on TV. Both of our sons played football, and we missed a lot of TV back then. So we started watching. We tried Fargo. We saw the first one, and I don't know. We just wasn't too much killing. And Wayward Pines was kind of weird, and it may be a good show, but nobody commented on it, and so we just wasn't sure whether we wanted to get started on it or not. But House hit us from the very first show. I like a show that makes you laugh and has a good plot and all of that good things. Okay. And I'm going to put this kind of in the middle. I printed this on photo paper. Kind of want to use it up. I don't necessarily like the glossy of it. I like the I got the paper that Louisa Heinzel recommended, where it's like a it's matte, and it's photo paper where like you do documents, and it's double-sided. Okay, and I think I want to put down some lace for this one. So let me get my Fabri-Tac out, and then I'll have something to hang my dangle off of. Alrighty. I never know what's, I think that's the, it's hard to tell what's the front and what's the back. Alrighty. Let that dry. And I will go ahead and add my dangle. There we go. And so we've got a key, got my handwriting. Now we need something that represents an event. And got winter. And I just think I'll put that down there. I think I'll put that right there. And let's see. Here's my leaves. Put that. Up there. And I'm going to let this be where I tuck in my props. And put down my leaves. This is going to be a simple one. My little coat hanger is made out of paper clip. I'm going to have to make some more of these dresses. I'm going to have to get out the video to see how to do it. It's been so long. But they're so cute. Okay. Now, I think I'm just gonna decorate. I've got some new washi tape, so I think I'm just gonna play around with that. Still reading my Lisa Gardner book, and it's really good. That poor girl. I don't know what happened to her yet. But that poor family, something's obviously going on. And the one I'm reading is The Neighbor. Okay. Since this is just going into my Margarete Miller journal, I'm not worried about gluing down the tape because it won't be open and closed that much. All right. Like this saying, we do not remember days, we remember moments. Down here I'll just put come what may. far I'm liking it. Now I'm just going to do some splatters. I think first I'm going to go around those leaves. I didn't glue that down very well, did I? I'm almost done with the 4th book of the Harry Potter. I don't usually have 2 books going, but when there's a book that I've read a lot and that's a favorite, you know, it's like I always say, you know, you're just like visiting friends. I'll kind of read along with it when I just want something kind of mindless. All right. I don't know what I did with my paintbrush, but I will find another one. Let me glue down my leaves here. This one will do good. It's not a watercolor brush, but maybe it'll make some good splatters. Alright, now for the black. Alright, so we've got our key. I've got my handwriting, something that represents an event. I've got the couple that's dating or out to dinner, winter, origami or anything folded. I've got this dress, and something painted. I've got my jelly print flowers. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful week. Take care. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP47 to see what everyone else has made. So until next time, bye y'all.